Good morning, everyone. Right now on Quest, it's 11:15 on Friday, February 28th, 2025. This may not count as news, but I do have a cautionary tale of sorts to share. Occasionally, residents complain that they purchased a work of art only to later realise it's, well, fake. Oh. They all note that the fakes were purchased from a boat anchored along the northern shore. What you do with your bells is your business, but I ask that you please be wary of this boat, stay vigilant. That's all for today. Have a fun day out there. Will do, Isabel. Will do. Yeah, I know another video recorded in the morning. But yeah, hello everyone, welcome back. Okay. My phone's ringing. This is Timmy from Nook's Cranny. We sent a payment. Okay, 17,000. Thank you, Timmy. But yeah, hello everyone, welcome back to another video playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. In today's video... the cat. In today's video... I don't know. I think I'm just going to continue doing the market today. I want to carry on making it and spreading it and... Oh, Black Rose. Black Rose here. Right. Yeah, so I think what I am probably going to try and do first is just, like, clean up all the random stuff that I have. Because, like, there's just loads of, like, flowers. Well, there's loads of... I don't know, I think that might be next episode's video. As well, I know you're probably wondering, why is, like, day 42 coming out on technically day 43? I got home late from college. So, yeah, and Steve's break. Yeah, that was not fun. Hello, Tiffany. So good to see you, Bon Bon. What's the latest? Alright, thank you. Also, sneeze break. Right, I've been sneezing a lot, so expect a lot of sneeze breaks. Just taking a breather. Fair enough, Rodney. Fair enough. I'm gonna go check on my... what's it called now? Purple pansies? Hopefully I've got one. Have I got one? No! No, why would I have one? Why would I have a purple pansy? I don't know if these do count or not, but like, I'm gonna risk it anyway. I'm gonna give it a go. Because like, I really want them. Like, I really do want the purple pansies. Like, I've had a purple windflower before. I got one, like, ages ago. But yeah, I've had a purple windflower. And I never got one after that, and I thought, do I have to redo the whole process? But now I'm doing this, and obviously the person who came over and watered my flowers, now I'm doing this. Yeah, it does take like a really long time to get. Which is annoying, it's really annoying. I didn't water you properly, so I'm going to do that. I need to get these ones over here as well. I don't know what flowers I'm going to do after the pansies. Like obviously I'm going to get rid of the purple... I'm going to get rid of those there. Because, like, there's no point in having them there, is there? So... Right. Gonna quickly get some Nook Miles. Right. I also need to find Canberra, because I still have her lost item. And I think today is, like, the last day. Because I found it when she was asleep. So, like, I couldn't give it to her. And speaking of which... You're up early? Yeah. You lose this? There. Where'd it end up? On the floor? Oh, what's this? You know, a snow globe too. Well, thank you. Oh yeah, why didn't I open my mailbox? Did I seriously just go past it? Okay. Right, let me open it and let me... Alright, okay, so... Yeah, this is fake. This I won. This I won. Got one from Bangle. What are you up to? I know you're always out there, but you know, being your best self and stuff, but I kind of worry you're working too hard, Jake. Sometimes you gotta take a break. You know the one thing I like about the letters that villagers send you in this game is I would say it's not necessarily for your character, but it's kind of aimed at, like, you as a person. You know? Like, it's not aimed at your character, it's for you, which I like. And I sneezed, like, that hard, like, it hurts my mouth. Alright. I'm gonna wear this one. Because it's perfect weather to wear it. I'm also gonna put the artwork that I got in the bin. Yeah, quaint painting, because it's fake! It is fake. We do not want it. Oh, so annoying that it's fake. But yeah, day 43 is out today. Well, no, day 42 is out on day 43. Reason being, I don't like. I just had so much to do. So that's why it's out today. Right. I'm going to put my bait away as well, because I don't need it. Because there isn't really any fishing that I need to do. I think I might just save my bait for, like, when I have to, yeah, like, when I have to catch stuff in March. Because, like, the more bait I have, the better. And it's like, I don't need the money for fishing. So, right. So I'm going to go quickly check my hybrid garden as well. Could have took the pipe, but I don't want to. I want to admire everything I've created on this island. Hello, Jeremiah, let's talk. Be Jake Jr. No one can be Jake Jr. No one can. There's only one. Right, so we got a couple hybrids. Right. Hello, please be careful on me. Thank you. Just be careful. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Jesus Christ, cat. You're gonna fall. You need to be careful. But my chair is not safe. Like it wobbles. Right. Yeah. So I need to go here. Yeah. So I'm probably just gonna like get rid of the roses that are at the top because like I know that I'm gonna do some terraforming at some point. I know I'm gonna do that. So okay. Yeah. One piece of art per day. Okay. So it's time to get up the Word document with all the artwork that I have in its own time. Okay, so I've got it all. Right, so Gallant statue, do I have that? I don't have it. So let's have a look. So the Gallant statue, I'm pretty sure this is fake because it has a book. So that one's fake. Right. What's some of the furniture he's selling as well? Oh. Right. I'm not going to buy that because I don't know if that's like... I don't know if I can buy that alongside the... Right. Okay, glowing paintings. Do I have that? No, I don't. So what we need to do, find the glowing painting. Oh, it's always real. Okay. Right. I will You got a deal. Alright. I mean, to be fair, I probably should have actually bought... probably should have seen if this was real. I mean, this is actually... Yeah, I probably should have seen if this is real, because... If you think about it... I should just get the ones that are... Yeah, I should always get the ones that have a chance of being fake, and if they are real, because if I find the real one again, I don't need to worry about it. Right. Okay, so I can keep the mod and cash register, that's good. I might, like... I'm gonna get 3 of these. Actually, no, I'm gonna get 4. Yeah, I'm gonna get 4. Alright, do I have 4 now, or did I buy 3? Okay, I only bought 3, so I need 4. I need another one, and I'm gonna get those flowers right there because I can put these on like the market stalls. Right. Goodbye, Red. Goodbye. Alright. But yeah, that painting, it's actually on here. Right. So, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna work on the market. So, I'm going to quickly find all the fossils, and I shall be right back. Right, I've found all my fossils, so I'm going to go and donate them to the museum. Hopefully, they are all legitimate. I have a feeling that they're not going to be. I have a feeling that they are not going to be real, which will be sad, but can't all get what we want. Right, hello Blathers. I want you to assess fossils. And then that one as well. Yeah. I've already got him. But yeah, I know I'm very close to finishing the museum. Oh yeah, ignore the glasses by the way. Tank gave them to... No, it weren't Tank, it was Jeremiah who gave them to me. I saw him on the way and he was just like, hey, here's a... Here are glasses. They work well with your outfit. So I was like, okay. I can't tell if that was an insult or not. Right. I want to know why all the winter stuff's still outside as well. Welcome to Nook's Cranny, thank you. What do you need to do? I want to sell. Yeah, so I'm just going to sell all these, because I don't need them. I'm going to keep them. Alright, okay. 21,000, that'll do. I want to buy the... because I'm going to need it. And then I want this as well. Around 1,500. Alright, Festival of Flag. Yeah, I'm excited for it to be, it's almost here, so I am excited. I would like to get another one, and I wonder if I can order one from Nook's Shopping. I'm gonna have a look. Because you never know. Hello, Tiffany. Yeah. Hopefully I can anyway. If I can't, I'll cry. Right. Yeah, I get 100 Nook miles. Alright, Nook shopping. Let's see what's on here. Oh, that's back. It wasn't there yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna buy another one. I'll buy that as well. So if I just put Fest. Oh no, I can't buy another one. That's annoying, I wish I could. Well. Please select from following services. No. Yeah, because I was gonna have like 2 flags near the entrance of what's it called? Here? Oh, I guess not. But I think what I am gonna do, I'm gonna have like loads of I'm gonna have like a what was it called now? I'm gonna try and get like loads of furniture. That's what I meant. I'm gonna try and get loads of furniture, or loads of the stuff for like when I want to decorate for next year, if I'm playing next year, that is. So, now I think it's time to start working on this here. So, you and you are gonna have to go. I was thinking one can go here. One, actually, no, I know what to do. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it like in the middle between them. There we go. Alright. I like that. Yeah, so, I need to put Island Designer on first. Alright. Right, brick path. Wait. Oh, I need to... One thing I should do, actually, I haven't done it, and I need to go do it. I should probably go and get, I should probably go get a flimsy axe. And some, like, decorating things, because I want to see if I can change what the stalls look like, because I am intrigued. So, I need you. And I also need you. And you. And I'm going to need one of you. Actually, no. So I'm going to make 2 axes. I'm just going to make 2 flimsy axes. Oh, I forgot to get the things. Right, one sec. Gotta go back in the house. Because I forgot like a fucking idiot. Alright. So I'm just trying to think, like, what could they have on the thing, and where is it? So I've got my axe, but I'm not looking for an axe. Alright, there we go. And then, I don't know. I think I might have some stands where it's just like DIY recipes, and it's just like, hey, if you want them, take them. That would probably be like a smart thing to do, because I don't want them. I know I'm not going to have any use for them. And I know that there's probably going to be people that need them. Go away. I'm sorry, Tiffany, I've got things I need to do. Alright, let's craft. So I'm going to craft 4 things. I'm going to make... So I'm going to make... Wait, 4 things? No, 2 things. 3 things. No. Right, so yeah, 3 things. I need a flimsy axe. I need 2 flimsy axes. I then need to make a stall. Yeah, here it is. And then I want to try and like customize. Yeah, it's a stall. So what can I put on the stall? Right, so yeah, I can. Right, that's cool. I'm gonna leave it for now though, because I don't really know what to put on it, but I'll come up with something. And the game wants me to customize items, but I'm not gonna do that now. So I'm gonna chop these. Because I need them. My throat is fucking killing. All I did was sneeze. I missed. Right. So I've got that. Right. And then one more. There we go. Alright. Perfecto. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with the young spring bamboo. I only got 4 this time, that's a bit annoying. I wish I didn't get 4, I wish I'd got a lot more than that. Right. Good thing I'm just getting normal wood as well, because that is what I need. A lot of wood. Right, now I'm going to go over this way. Right, well that's fucking broke. Good thing I've got another one. Right. Yeah, so I mean there's a lot like in the center of the marketplace. I think I have an idea of one thing that I do want to do with it. Like in the middle. I think there's like a good idea I want to do. Like I want to save. I basically like want to have like a middle area, and then like it's reserved for like blue roses when I get them, because they're like the hardest rose to get. Or maybe gold roses. I don't know. We'll have to see. Right. Oh, I haven't checked in here yet. I'm gonna turn this off. Right. Hopefully I find something good. I'm hoping that there's a good selection of things. Right. In the fitting room, go right ahead. No. I have one of these. I'm gonna get the blue one. And then I don't know what to get. Alright, well. You wanna wear what you picked out? Yes, please. Alright, thank you, Mabel. Appreciate it. Thanks, please come again. Will do. Right. So Where was I going? Oh yeah, I was gonna go like where the apples are. I was gonna get some wood from there. No, I'll get it from like the center. Right. Right. Well, that's what we like to see. We like to see lots of wood. That is what we like to see. You can't get enough wood. I wonder how many penis jokes I can make. Oh, Rodney. Hold on, I don't want to. I want to come over and hang out right now. Sorry, Rodney, I've got a video to make. Surprised no one's asked to move out yet. Like, literally, no one is moving out. And I'd have thought that someone would have asked to move out by now. Look at all this wood I'm getting as well. Like, just normal plain wood. Alright. Alright, I really don't like these glasses. They're coming off. I don't like them. Alright. I thought I had a balloon. Alright. Island designer, and then... Actually... Right. Where is it? Just want to look at all the fences that I can make. Right. Is the one that I want? No, there isn't. Right, I'm gonna go in here, and hopefully it's that. It's basically like a rope. So I need that. Right. Welcome to Duckstuff. Thank you very much, game. DIY. Okay, no, I don't need that. Sad times. Right, is there anything I can put like just trying to think, because I kind of want to put one of these. I'll put this one in. Would you like to make another selection? No. Okay, nothing in here. Great. Nothing that I want. Literally nothing. Right. So I need to go over here. Actually, no, I'm going to start doing it over here. Because... I can then... Oh, I forgot. I need to go... There's something that I need to go get. I need to get something and I didn't get it. It's in my house. I always forget to take stuff out of my house. Like, literally always forget. I won't do it this time, though. Right. Where is it? Okay, here it is, yeah. That, and then... Well, there's nothing else that I really need right now. I could do with those changing rooms, actually, now that I think about it. Could do with putting those down. I'll leave it for now, though. Because I don't have, like, a really good place to put them. Right. Yeah, so this is where the thing's gonna be. And then, so if I... Okay, yeah, so you can go here. Where is... Yeah, stall. That is in the wrong place. Right, there we go. And then, here we go. It's like selling Japanese figures and stuff like that. I like that. I might move it upwards, just like forwards a bit. So you can see like what's going on here. Yeah. So then I'm gonna put I don't know. I'm gonna wait for a bit. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see what it looks like. Because it could look really cool. So we'll have to see. Right. I need to fill in all this area here. And I need all of it. Right. I need to move these houses up here as well. I need to do that at some point. Haven't done it yet though. Because I haven't really sorted out like the area that they're gonna be in. Because they're gonna I'm gonna move them to like where like a bit kind of like where the campsite is right now. But first I need to go through like all that area and like flatten it all out and like get rid of all the roses that are up there. Because there's a ridiculous amount of roses there and I don't want them there. Right. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe put the thing like here. Yeah, I might do that. And then I can have, because I was thinking either blue or gold roses. I'm probably just going to do gold roses here. And then like, I'm going to have it like fenced off. I think that would be a pretty cool idea. Yeah, it would be really good. So I'm going to have like fencing around like this bit here. Because, so that no one can touch it. You're not having it. You're not allowed. Right. Yeah, I'm probably not going to fill in, like, the whole bit. For now, anyway. What are you doing? No, please do not stretch your claws or try and sharpen your claws on my leg, because that will hurt, as I have shorts on. Hello, are you enjoying, like, destroying my chair? I bet you are. Right. Yeah. I should probably do one with, like, crops on as well. I don't know why I haven't done that yet, but I should probably do it. But what I should do, actually, I don't know why I haven't thought of doing this, is if I move this, like, halfway. No. Oh, no, right. Yeah, so you need to go there. There we go. Right. So I just want it to, like, look decent. Oh, a balloon! I see you up there. Hello, balloon. Aha! Green leaf pile. Thanks, game. I now know how to make a pile of leaves. Hell yeah. Oh, I need bamboo for it, apparently. You need bamboo for leaves. I mean, I've never you know, whenever I need leaves, I've never needed leaves in my life, but anytime I have, I've never... What did I catch that was new? It was in fish. Oh! It was this. It was the Ranchu goldfish. Oh, okay. It's filling up, though. It is filling up. Like, everything's filling up, and I like it. This is definitely filling up. And then this is not filling up as much as I thought it would. Hello! Go on. Go on. No, go on. I'm moving my legs so she can get up. But, okay. Right. So I'm gonna fill in this area over here. This little area. But you know, it'd be really cool if I could have, like, if I could actually have like a market day. So like, basically, like special NPCs like Leaf and Kicks and Red, like they come here. That'd be awesome. I'd love that. Right. I'm gonna take some of these because that person never showed up for them. So I need to move them anyway. Like, I need to empty out this area here. I do need to empty it because I don't want it there. I don't want flowers being there. The only reason that all those roses are there is because of the only reason that they're there is just because I needed them to get to 3 stars, and I don't really think it helped. I think if I'd have just got rid of all the weeds, then that would have helped. But yeah. So yeah, hopefully I can get a gold rose. Or a blue one. I'm just gonna put it in here. More than likely it will be a gold one. I think that would look better. But I mean, you never know. If I manage to get a blue one before a gold one, then yeah. I'll just do it on what comes first, really. If I get a blue one, I'll do a blue one. If I get a gold one, I'll do a gold one. It all just depends on what I find first. Alright. But yeah, so far this does look good. I like it. Have I got any other square? Okay. I'm gonna go see what Isabelle has to say about my island. I'm hoping that I do get like a pretty good like stats or reviews. I should do. Isabelle! Oh dear, good morning. How can I help you out today? Let's talk island events. 3 star. Seriously? Like a big street's getting plenty of love and care. Wow. Well, there you have it. Alright, keep contributing however you can. Almost. Okay. I have used Nook Shopping, Isabelle. Can I help you with anything else? I'm good for now. Yeah. Yeah, like, so speaking of decorating, I think if I was to actually, like fully decorate Festivale stuff, I think, yeah, I would have, like, all this stuff around the island. I'm probably just gonna put it all on, like, the main island, like, the bit that, like, the part that I'm on. Probably just gonna have it on here. Because I think that makes more sense, because it's mainly celebrated here, so that would make sense as to why it's here. But yeah, I'm starting to like how this market's turning out. I do like it. I know it's taking me a few videos to do it, but like I've got to get all the materials and I've got to like order things, and that's why it's taking so long for me to get. But trust me, when it's done, it will look better. And then obviously with that like gazebo looking thing here, it'll all be amazing. But that is going to be the end of the video. So I do hope you did enjoy. If you have any ideas of things you want, you think that I should put on in the market, then feel free to let me know. But in the meantime, I shall see you all in the next episode.